page to look when it is shared on social media or even individual pages. Access the CMS dashboard and then go to Project Settings and at the top select Sharing. Add a title for the status message when sharing, as well as a description no longer than 280 characters, and upload a thumbnail. Think of sharing to Facebook or Instagram. This is the image that will appear here. Apart from doing this on a site basis, you can also go to the individual pages, select a page, and then select social in the top. Add an alternate sharing image for this page individually. This will combine with the SEO, so your title and description will link into the social.